Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shauna. Today I'll be doing a wash and go using my Devacurl Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator Cream paired with my Devacurl Archangel. This is one of the maximum hold gels by Devacurl. So my hair is freshly washed. I'm going to start by sectioning it into about 2 or 3 sections. Just kind of do a rough little part with using my hands. I detangled in the shower, but of course with curls always gets tangled up again. But I'm just gonna put half of my hair up like this, using one of these little clips. So first I'm just going to go through my hair again and detangle just in case it got knotted. It's pretty good. And same for this side. Alrighty. So first, I'm going to use this. So I'm going to start with about this much for one section. Just kind of glide it through my hair like this. Kind of melts right into my hair. And once again, I'm going to comb through. And I'm going to do the same for the other section. About this much. Kind of glides right through. Lately my hair's been super dry, so I just gave it a really good deep conditioner using the Cream of Nature argan oil deep conditioning pack. So just detangling before I go through with my gel. Alright, next, my gel. So I'm going to use about 2 to 3 pumps for one section. Kind of start from the ends, kind of rake it through my hair. I'm very heavy-handed with gel, especially because I like my wash and goes to last at least 4 to 7 days. So I don't mind if it's a little stiff the first day. It's a lot of gel. So that's pretty much it. And I shake it to get back to life. Okay. And then I do the same for this side. So once again, it will be about 3 pumps of my gel. And just kind of rake it right through my hair. Especially starting from the ends and working my way upward. So Alright, I think I actually want to go over each section again with about 1 or 2 pumps of gel. Like I said, I like to use a lot of gel. My hair also is very thick, so it takes a lot to hold it and keep it in place. One more time for here. And then do it again for this side. Okay. Curls are starting to form and clump together. And then just kind of put it to the back. Usually I let my hair air dry, by the way, but for the purposes of this video, I will defuse it. So just going in one last time, and then I scrunch my ends. Right? Alright. Now, gonna move on to the top. Okay guys, so I'm back. I diffused my hair. I'd say it's about like 90% dry. So there's a lot of volume. I don't know if you can see it. The texture. So I don't know, what do you guys think? So far the Devacurl line has been one that I actually like, but I will say I don't like the price because it's kind of expensive and my hair takes a lot of products. But I will say that I always love the results. My hair feels nice and soft and bouncy and has good shine. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's any other products out there that you guys recommend, alright? Thank you. Bye.